Ever wondered why managing online advertising campaigns can feel like navigating a labyrinth? You're not alone. The digital landscape is a complex, ever-evolving beast that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and strategic planning. In the world of online advertising, professionals and businesses alike face a multitude of challenges. The most daunting of these is probably targeting the right audience. With an estimated 4 billion internet users worldwide, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. And it's not just about reaching these users, it's about reaching the right ones at the right time with the right message. Then there's the question of managing budgets. Online advertising is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Different platforms, different audience segments, different objectives, they all require different budget allocations. Balancing the budget while ensuring maximum return on investment is a tightrope walk that keeps even the most seasoned professionals on their toes. Lastly, let's talk about tracking performance. With so many metrics to monitor click-through rates, conversion rates, bounce rates, page views, and the list goes on, it's easy to get lost in a sea of data. Interpreting this data correctly and using it to inform future strategies is crucial, yet often overwhelming. In a nutshell, managing online advertising campaigns is like playing a game of 3D chess. You need to think several moves ahead, consider multiple perspectives, and always be ready to adapt your strategy at a moment's notice. It's a game that requires skill, patience, and a deep understanding of the digital landscape. But what if there was a tool that could simplify this process? A tool that could help you navigate the labyrinth of online advertising with ease, allowing you to target the right audience, manage your budgets effectively, and track performance seamlessly. What if there was a tool that could improve your advertising efficiency? Stay tuned, as we're about to introduce you to such a tool that's set to revolutionize the world of online advertising. Enter Google Gemini, a revolutionary tool designed to streamline your advertising efforts. Let's take a moment to delve deeper into this remarkable innovation. Google Gemini is the brainchild of a collaboration between Google and Yahoo, two titans in the digital space. The goal was to create a tool that simplifies the convoluted process of online advertising, making it more accessible and efficient for users worldwide. Google Gemini serves as a unified marketplace for mobile and desktop advertising, amalgamating the best features of Google AdWords and Yahoo's native ad system. It's a centralized hub where you can manage all your advertising campaigns, regardless of the platform, making it a one-stop solution for your marketing needs. This integration with Google AdWords is a boon for advertisers. With Google AdWords being a popular choice among marketers, the ability to manage your AdWords campaigns alongside your Gemini campaigns in one place is a game changer. It streamlines your workflow, saving you time and effort that can be better spent on strategizing and creating compelling ads. But Google Gemini is more than just a tool for managing campaigns. It's equipped with advanced features that give you greater control over your advertising strategy. You can customize your campaigns to target specific demographics, track the performance of your ads in real time, and adjust your strategies based on the insights you gain. It's like having your very own marketing consultant guiding you towards the most effective strategies for your business. Google Gemini also integrates with Google's powerful artificial intelligence technology. This means the tool is constantly learning and adapting, providing you with smarter, more precise targeting options and predictive analytics. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict the future of your advertising campaigns, helping you stay one step ahead of the competition. So Google Gemini is not just a tool, but a companion in your journey through the complex world of online advertising. It's there to simplify your workflow, optimize your strategies, and guide you towards success in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Now you might be thinking, how do I use Google Gemini? Well, let's dive in and get you up and running. The first step is setting up an account. It's simple. Head over to the Google Gemini homepage. Click on Sign Up and fill in the necessary details. You'll need to provide an email address, create a password, and confirm your location. Once you've done this, click Register and voila! You've created your Google Gemini account. Now on to the exciting part, creating a campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab and select Create New. Here, you'll be asked to provide some key details. Think of a catchy name for your campaign, something that will make it easy for you to identify later. Next, select the type of ad you want to run. This could be a search ad, a display ad, or a video ad, depending on your advertising preferences. The next step is crucial, setting a budget. Google Gemini offers two options: daily or total budget. The daily budget is the amount you're willing to spend each day, while the total budget is the maximum amount you're willing to spend during the entire campaign. The choice depends on your budget and how you want to distribute it over time. Once you've set your budget, it's time to target your audience. Google Gemini allows you to target your ads based on demographic, geographic, and interest-based factors. You can choose to target your ads to a specific age group, gender, or location. You can also target users based on their interests. For example, if you're selling hiking gear, you might want to target users interested in outdoor activities. Spend some time thinking about who your ideal customer is and how you can reach them. The final step in creating your campaign is tracking performance. Google Gemini provides a plethora of metrics to help you understand how your ads are performing. These include impressions, clicks, conversions, and many more. It's important to monitor these metrics regularly to see if your campaign is achieving its goals. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save and Launch. Your campaign is now live and your ads are ready to reach your targeted audience. Remember, Google Gemini is a powerful tool, but like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. Don't be afraid to experiment with different campaign settings and monitor the results closely. This will allow you to tweak your campaigns for optimal performance. And just like that, you've launched your first campaign with Google Gemini. From here on out, it's all about refining your strategy, learning from your metrics, and optimizing your campaigns for success. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start making the most of Google Gemini. But why should you choose Google Gemini over other tools? You might be asking. Well, there are several compelling reasons that set Google Gemini apart in the world of online advertising. First off, Google Gemini shines in its ease of use. With its intuitive user interface, even those who are new to digital advertising can navigate the system with ease. This means you can spend less time wrestling with complex software and more time developing brilliant advertising strategies. Secondly, Google Gemini offers comprehensive campaign management. It provides a single dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your advertising campaigns, from creation and optimization to monitoring and reporting. This centralized approach not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures you always have up-to-date information at your fingertips. Now let's talk about budgeting. Efficient budget management is crucial in any advertising campaign, and Google Gemini excels at this. With its advanced algorithms, it helps you allocate your budget effectively across different channels and demographics. It can also predict potential returns on investment, allowing you to make informed decisions about where to put your money. But perhaps one of the most impressive benefits of Google Gemini is its precise audience targeting. It allows you to reach the right people at the right time with your ads. You can target your audience based on a variety of factors, including their interests, behaviors, location, and more. This level of precision can lead to higher engagement, better conversion rates, and ultimately, more successful advertising campaigns. Google Gemini does more than just help you place ads online. It harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to analyze data, predict trends, and provide insights that can enhance your advertising strategy. It's like having your own personal advertising expert, always ready to help you make the most of your campaigns. In short, Google Gemini makes your advertising efforts smarter, not harder. With Google Gemini, you can focus on what you do best, creating engaging content and connecting with your audience, while the tool takes care of the rest. So why not give Google Gemini a try and see how it can revolutionize your online advertising? So, what's the bottom line about Google Gemini? Well, let's circle back to our main points. Google Gemini, in its essence, is a revolutionary tool that's designed to simplify and streamline the management of your online advertising campaigns. It's a platform that integrates the power of artificial intelligence to give you a competitive edge in the dynamic world of online advertising. Think about the challenges you face when handling online ads, deciding where to invest, which demographics to target, when to schedule your ads, and how to maximize your returns can be quite a task. But with Google Gemini, these complexities are significantly reduced. It's almost like having a personal assistant that's always on, always analyzing, and always optimizing your campaigns for you. One of the key benefits of Google Gemini is its ability to learn and adapt. It's not just a tool, it's a learning entity. By leveraging machine learning, it constantly evolves to understand your audience better, make more accurate predictions, and deliver more effective campaigns. And let's not forget the time-saving aspect. With Google Gemini, you don't have to spend countless hours analyzing data, making predictions, or adjusting your campaigns. The tool does it all for you, freeing up your time to focus on other important areas of your business. Moreover, Google Gemini is not just for the tech-savvy or the large corporations. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to all, regardless of the size of your business or your technical know-how. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your online presence or a seasoned marketer wanting to enhance your campaigns, Google Gemini is there to assist you. In short, Google Gemini is a comprehensive solution to your online advertising needs. It's a tool that harnesses the power of AI to make your ad management process more efficient, more effective, and less taxing. With Google Gemini, you can turn the labyrinth of online advertising into a walk in the park. And that, my friends, is a game changer.